Jason Robertson gets number 30. With a minute to go, he puts Dallas back in front.
So, Jason Robertson, number 30. Only two guys in the NHL have scored more this year, Connor McDavid and Nathan McKinnon, two pretty good hockey players. Hits the assist that, with a minute to go, that was the GWG.
But and it happened so fast. I mean, the Dallas Stars, after
It did happen.
the first icing call, first face-off is won by Dallas. It's not won by Dallas. St. Louis gets it, but instead of being able to clear the puck, I shouldn't say normally, but clear the puck with control, they ice the puck again. So it gives Dallas another chance.
Whoa, that guy just
on the
crashed.
face-off.
That guy
And on
crashed
the
behind
face-off,
us.
Rope hits.
Yep.
Really doesn't win it clean.
Going
He
on
goes down
backwards,
to it,
yeah, he's backwards.
Tries to move it backward, but instead it sort of just hits his skate and legs.
That guy just fucking crashed.